everyone. Today we are going to conduct a science experiment. For this experiment, we will discuss chemical reactions and the properties and structures of matter. What are those things, you might ask? So, a chemical reaction is basically when you mix substances to create another substance. For this experiment, we are going to mix two substances, a solid and a liquid. Now, for this experiment, we have a challenge. We are going to blow up a balloon, and we're not going to blow air into it with our mouths. No, we are going to use, you guessed it, our substances to fill this balloon with air. Now, how is that possible? Well, it's all about science and it's all about chemical reactions. So, our substances are baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda is a solid. It's powder, but it's still considered a solid. Vinegar is a liquid. Now, vinegar is considered an acid, and baking soda is considered a base. When we mix these two together, it is called an acid-base reaction because you are mixing an acid and a base to produce another substance. Now, in an acid-base reaction, you get carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is a gas. So, what do we need to fill a balloon with air? Gas, air. So, you guessed it, we're going to use these two to create carbon dioxide so that our balloon can be filled with air. Now, you're probably like, okay, can you just stop talking and get to the experiment? Okay, I'm getting there. Let's do it. So the materials that we will use for this experiment are, as I mentioned before, baking soda, vinegar, a balloon, and a bottle. For this experiment, I chose a 2-liter bottle, but you can choose any size bottle. It could be a water bottle. And you would also need a funnel. I didn't have one, so I created one using paper. Now, for the properties of matter, we all know that there are 3 types of matter. There are solids, gases, and liquids. This experiment will observe a solid mixed with a liquid to produce a gas, a chemical reaction. Let's put some vinegar into our bottle. It looks like water, but when you smell it, you can tell it's vinegar. It's really strong. Fill our water bottle. So now, once you have your vinegar in your bottle, you will now place the balloon over the top. Now, what you're going to do eventually is you're going to lift the balloon and basically pour in the vinegar inside. And what's going to happen is once the vinegar mixes in, once the baking soda mixes in with the vinegar, it's going to create a reaction, a Fizz reaction, and it will produce carbon dioxide, which will fill the balloon. So are we ready? Let's get the show on the road. 3. Let's make sure that our balloon is actually fastened correctly. So here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow! Look at that! As you can see, the reaction when the vinegar mixes in with the baking soda and carbon dioxide is produced, which is making the balloon fill with air. Fascinating. Very awesome. Still some baking soda in there. And there you have it. An acid-base reaction that creates carbon dioxide. Two substances create another substance. Vinegar, a liquid mixed with baking soda solid, creates a gas, carbon dioxide. And that's our experiment for today. I hope you guys had a lot of fun, and may you continue to explore and learn about science with these awesome experiments. Take care now.